The U.S. Chamber of Commerce and a lot of business groups in Georgia and nationally have fought the E-Verify requirement for years. E-Verify, of course, is a great tool to demagnetize the magnets that bring illegal immigrants here into this country. And it requires an employer, as you well know, to use the online Homeland Security system to check new hires. And it's been highly successful. Do you disagree with that Chamber of Commerce position and that position held by some of the business community that you shouldn't have mandatory E-Verify? And would you support, if you're a congressman, mandatory E-Verify for businesses across the country?
Yes, Phil, we E-Verify. We required in our subcontracts that our subcontractors E-Verify. The position the Chamber took was back when this thing first came to law, and it's like many things that come out of our federal government. How do you implement this? Because if you E-Verify and then you single out people, okay, are you taking their civil rights away from them? And so we could be, we could have a lawsuit against us on one side, and we could have, in just doing the job that the government requires us to do. Today, we're doing it successfully. Yeah, I'm all for it. It's the process. Again, it took a while to get it done, but the process is working. But the real problem is we've got to secure our borders. I mean, if we don't secure our borders, it is putting a burden. It's a cost of doing business. It's an additional cost of doing business. But y'all, we've got to get serious about both our illegal immigration problem and our immigration problem in this country. They both need to be fixed. I intend to fix it when I get to Congress.
Thank you.